Candlestick Beginner 2 combo for Aerial Silk. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start with a opposite side climb. Alrighty, then we're going to do a bird's nest in the sky. Remember guys, if you need a reminder on these skills, just look back on our previous YouTube channel. Alright, so she knee hooked to come to a single foot lock. And then we're going to go into a single leg roll. And guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring that bell so that you're the first to get notifications when we drop a new video. Alright guys, she just went into a candlestick there. You can take a little spin out of this. And remember, these are only combos to give you ideas of what you can do. The purpose is for you to put your own flair onto it, for you to move the way you want to move with it, for you to put your music on with it and have fun. Alright everyone, we will see you next week, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring that bell.